In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API token in Goodday. Having an API token allows you to connect Goodday with other tools, automate workflows, and integrate it into your own applications. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along in real time and feel confident you're doing it correctly. First, make sure you're logged into your Goodday account in your browser. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there, usually showing your name or avatar. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This opens up a small menu that gives you access to personal and account-related settings. It's important to start here, because API tokens are managed from your account settings, not from a specific project or workspace. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Account Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage things like your profile, security options, and other personal preferences. Give the page a moment to load. You will notice several sections or tabs in this area, each focusing on a different aspect of your account. In the list of options, look for the one labeled API. When you see it, click on API. This is the section where Goodday lets you manage your API access. Here, you can view existing tokens if you have any, and most importantly, create new ones. If this is your first time here, the page may look fairly empty, and that's completely normal. Now that you're on the API page, find the button that says Generate. This is the control that creates a new API token for your account. Click on Generate. Goodday will create a fresh token associated with your user. Depending on how Goodday is set up, it may display the token on screen only once or ask you to confirm some details. When the token appears, copy it right away and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or a protected document, because you'll need it to connect Goodday with other tools. Remember, your API token is like a key to your account, so never share it publicly and avoid posting it in screenshots or sending it in unsecured messages. And that's all you need to do. You've now generated an API token in Goodday and you're ready to use it in your integration.